Yo, what's going on YouTube? So I am back again. Man, today's video is gonna be a really good. Um, so as I promised you guys in my previous video that I will be doing a mid-muffler delete, and today's the day, man. I'm gonna go today and take those mid-mufflers out. Uh, let me show you the cold start right now. And so I'm also gonna be putting like before and after, so you guys can know the difference, man. Here you go right now. Sounds great, bro. Hey guys, so I'm in the car now. It's kind of a little bit chilly out there, and then also windy too, so it's probably trouble hearing me. So I came inside. So today is gonna be the day, man. I'm gonna go do my mid-muffler delete. I know it's gonna sound like it's gonna be huge difference. I was telling my brother the other day, like he was like, the car sounds like amazing. I'm like, yeah, it's gonna be louder. So he's like, cause he doesn't know that much about the chargers and stuff. So he's like, what are you gonna do? I'm like, I'm gonna do the mid muffler delete, and that's gonna bring, like, the sound's gonna be double. So yeah, I mean, he's sleeping right now. It's like 9 in the morning right now, man. So I'm gonna go right now and do it. And when I come home, I'm gonna make it come down and tell him to like listen to the noise, man. So I already know how it's gonna sound like, cause I've been watching videos, on YouTube. So I already know it's gonna sound amazing. So I can't wait, man. I will also put the before and after, so you guys know the difference too. If some of you are like new to my channel, so please, if you're watching this video right now, please subscribe, like the button, open up the bell notification, do what you gotta do, man. You already know. So when you're on YouTube, what you gotta do. There will be a lot of videos that will be coming up, man. That's my second video. If you haven't watched my previous one, go watch it. This one is gonna be, like I said, mid-muffler delete one. I will put everything before and after, everything, man. You guys get to see it. Alright, see you at the shop. It's gonna go in, guys. I got a really good deal today. I called like 3 or 4 muffler shops, and this one guy, he was like, he's gonna charge me like $500. I'm like, nah, fam. I'm like, that's not how much they charge for the mid-muffler delete. But man, check out this place. They got a really good pricing, man. Yeah, I'm gonna tell you how much it cost me first, like after all the mid-muffler delete and stuff. Then I'll tell you how much he charged me and stuff, man. These will be coming out. Both of them is gonna be all straight pipe, and we'll hear the video at the very end, man. I got my guy here, Omid. He's gonna be working for me. All right, I'm gonna show you the place to come check it out. Look for him, man. He's a really good guy, man. Look at this place, Spring Valley, discount. And I'm gonna try to get the phone number too. I don't know where the phone number is, but man, this place is really good. He hooked me up with a pretty good deal. So he was looking at the brake pads. He said that the rear one is kind of like they're a little bit like scratching up my rollers. So calipers and so, he ordered one for me, and then he got me a really good price. I'll tell you guys at the very end. But yeah, there you go. Alright guys, let me show you. The mufflers are out. They're right here. So it's gonna be the scrape head right here. It's gonna be a little bit hard. He said like he's gonna have to like carve it around and stuff. So yeah, let's see how that sound. Let me show you guys this pipes right here, man. Look at this. Straight 5, mufflers are gone. Look at this, man. You did a good job, man. You did a great job right here. Look at this. I would definitely recommend you guys to come here and check this guy out. His name is Omad. I will put it in my description too. And then come check him out, man. He's gonna give you a great price. Alright, got it. It's done. Let's try it out. Alright, got it. It's done. Let's try it out. So guys, I'm home. Damn, the sounds is like amazing, man. On the highway I couldn't record, I'm sorry, but it sounds amazing. Everyone was like looking at me. They thought like it's like some like Hellcat or like Scat Pack coming. That sounds like dope. Let me rev for you guys. Look, hear this out. Alright, man, I'm gonna love driving this, man. See you guys. Make sure you guys subscribe, hit the like button, man. Open up the bell notification. There's gonna be a lot of video will be coming out, man. A lot of mods. So right now I only got the mid-muffler delete. The resonators are still on, and I'm gonna keep those. It sounds great right now. Yeah, man. Thank you so much. Wait for my next video.